Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Ethylene glycol is not used in cough syrup. Rather, it's propylene glycol that is commonly used. Propylene glycol acts as a solvent to dissolve substances in the syrup, ensuring that the active ingredients are evenly distributed and stable. It also helps in adjusting the viscosity of the syrup, making it easier to consume. Propylene glycol is chosen for its non-toxicity and ability to preserve the medicine effectively without compromising safety.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.